Hi everybody, welcome to SMR Telugu Education. Next topic is two-dimensional character array. Two-dimensional character array. So, care of str, number of rows and then number of columns. Number of columns. So two-dimensional means array of arrays. Array of arrays. Here array of 10 means the memory is allocated for 10 elements. First one is 0, 1, so str of 0, str of 1, str of 2, str of 3 up to str of 9. Here the memory is allocated for str of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here str of 0 gives the address is 500. So str of 1 gives the base address is 520. str of 2 is the base address is 540. str3 base address is 560. We already discussed in two-dimensional integer array. Same, all are same, concept is same. They are integers. Here these are characters. So str of 3 is base address is 560. str of 4 base address is 580. So 0, 1, str of 0, str of 1, str of 2, str of 3, str of 4 and then str of 9 gives the base addresses of a strings. Here str of 0, 0, 0, 0 is this element s, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 2 up to 0, 19, 19 elements, 0, 2, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2 up to 0, 19. Here 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2 up to 119, 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 2 up to 219 and so on. The memory is continuous memory is allocated. Here how to scan the strings, how to scan this string, str of 0, how to scan this string, str of 1, how to scan this string, str of 2, how to scan this string, str of 3, how to scan this string, str of 4, how to scan this string, str of 5, how to scan this string, str of 6 and so on. So how to scan the, here we have to write a program to scan 10 strings and arrange the strings in sorting order by using bubble sort. We already know how to sort the elements by using bubble sort. First you have to declare, so declare a character. This is number of rows and number of columns. str of 0 is first string, str of 1 is second string, str of 2 is third string up to 10. You have to write a loop to 0 to 9. You have to scan the each string. So alt F new F2, file name is 2dchar.c F5. So void main char str of number of rows 10, number of columns 20. So clear the screen, clr scr. So ask the end user to enter printf, enter 10 names. So for I is equal to 0, for loop purpose here we are declare int I value. So I is equal to 0, I less than 10, I plus plus. So ask the end user enter first name, second name, third name. So printf slash n enter percentage d name comma I plus 1. So enter first name, second name, third name. How to scan the string by using which function? Gets of. First string is str of 0, second time str of 1, str of 2. This is the address. Str of 0 is address, str of 1 is address, str of 2 is address, str of 3 is address, str of 3 is address, str of 4 is address, str of 5 address, str of 6 address, str of 7 address, str of 8 address, str of 9 address. So this code can read the 10 strings. Here the logic is sorting logic. So first refer once bubble sort logic. Same logic here you have to write. First is outer loop is for number of iterations or number of passes. So total 10 elements. Index is 0 to 9. You have to check up to 0 to 8. Single element, no need to check the other ones. Next, so outer loop is for number of passes. I is equal to 0, I less than 9, I plus plus. So I less than 9 means 0 to 8 passes, total 9 passes. So 10th element is already, last element 1 is already sorting order. Next you have to compare these two values. Next you have to compare str of 0 so str of 0 value with str of 1 value. Here you have to compare these two values. If this one is greater than this one, then you have to interchange these two strings. So in strings, how to compare two strings? There is a function called string comparison function. By using string comparison of str of 0 comma str of 1, you have to compare these two values. This comparison value is both are equal, then returns 0. Greater than 0 means first string is greater than second one. Less than 0 means first string is less than second string. Now you have to compare the first 0th element into str of 0 with str of 1. Then if str of 0 is greater than str of 1, here you have to compare S, SMR and Kushal. First you have to check S and K. So S ASCII value is greater than K ASCII value. Then this difference is greater than 0. S condition true. Then you have to interchange these two values. Then you have to interchange these two values. So please remember, no need to interchange K value and S one time. Next K and M one time. Next S and R one time. Next H and null character one time. Next A and null character one time. Next L and null character up to null character. Next assign this null character here and this null character here. So there is no need to interchange every character one by one. In our C language there is a function called string copy. By using string copy we have to copy this string into this string directly without there is no need to interchange character by character. It will take lot of time. So by using string copy function we have to interchange str of 0 and str of 1. We have to interchange these two values. Next, so j is equal to 0. This value, first compare this value into this value. This one is greater than, you have to interchange these two values. Next you have to compare str2 value with str of 0. You have to compare these two values. If str of 0 is greater than str of 2, this condition is true, then you have to interchange to copy this function, this value into this one second time. Next you have to compare str of 0 with the third element. Next you have to compare str of 3 value and str of 0. If str of 0 is greater than str of 3, then you have to interchange these two values. Next you have to compare str of 0 with str of 4. str of 4 value with str of 0. So this one is greater than, then you have to interchange these two values, this value and this value. So this will be continued up to the last. That means j value is, here you have to compare j value 0 to, so in bubble sort you have to discuss for j is equal to 0. So j greater than, so number of size 10 minus I minus 1 times, so j plus plus. So here you have to compare if string comparison of ARR of j with ARR of j plus 1. You have to compare these two values. Same bubble sort, you have to copy string copy str of j and str of j plus 1. Here I am taking one temporary string char, temporary string of size 20. Here our string name size is 20 elements. Name size is 20 characters. So here temporary string copy of, there is a function called string copy of, target is ts ARR of j. Next string copy of ARR of j comma ARR of j plus 1. Next str cpy, string copy of ARR of j plus 1 comma ts. So this logic is for interchange of swapping of two strings. So this is logic for sorting the names. Here after sorting, printf for I is equal to 0, I less than 10, I plus plus. So there is a function called puts of str of I. That's it. Here instead of so here instead of interchanging each character, you have to copy str of 0 and str of 1 by using string copy function. So alt F9. So here our string name is str, that's why str of j is greater than str of j plus 1. Then you have to interchange str of j and then str of j and str of j plus 1. So please refer bubbles at once. We are using same logic here. Alt F9. String comparison of function. If you have string comparison of str of j and str j plus 1 returns integer value. This value is greater than 0. Then alt F9. Yes, control F9. Enter first name. Name should be in alphabetical order. I am entering SMR, Manvita, Kushal, Lakshmi, Mohan, Ravi, Ganesh, Vara, some name, any name, Raja, Mahesh. Okay, so our strings are in dictionary order. So alt F5. So SMR, Manvita, Kushal, Ganesh, once please check once if string comparison of AR of j and AR of j, str of j and str of j plus 1 is greater than 0, then you have to swap str of j and str of j plus 1. Yeah, by mistake here we have to write greater than 0, that's why we get. So alt F9, yes, control F9, enter names, SMR, SSL, some Durga, Manvita, Kusha, Ganesh, Mahesh, Sachin, Dravid, Mohan, enter alt F5. So Dravid, Durga, Ganesh, Kushal, Mahesh, Manvita, Mohan, Sachin, SMR, SSL. This is the sorting order. So better to write after sorting. Here you have to write /n. So alt F9. Yes, control F9. So names SMR, SSL, Durga, Ganesh, Lakshmi, Manvita, Kushal, Raja, Ravi, Shanmukh. So alt F5. Durga, Ganesh, Kushal, Lakshmi, Manvita, Raja, Ravi, Shanmukh, SMR, SSI. This is the sorting order. Still you have any doubts? Please refer once again. Thank you for watching.